Fasting during the first week of Great Lent. From the rules of the Holy Apostles and the Holy Fathers about the Holy and Great 40-day Lent, which every Christian must carefully observe. On the first day of the first week of the Holy and Great 40-day Lent, that is to say, on Monday, it is not appropriate to eat at all, and it is the same on the second day, that is to say, on Tuesday. On Wednesday, after the completion of the pre-sanctified liturgy, by any estimate, around 6 p.m. or later, a meal is served, and we eat warm bread and warm vegetable foodstuffs and a honey drink, see note below. Those who cannot keep the first 2 days eat bread and drink kvass, see note below, after Vespers on Tuesday. The elderly do the same. On Saturdays and Sundays, we allow oil and also wine. In other weeks, we fast until evening for 5 days and eat dry food, see note below, except Saturdays and Sundays. Fish, however, we dare not eat for all of the 40-day Lent, except on the feast of the Annunciation of the Most Holy Theotokos and Palm Sunday. If a monk spoils the holy 40-day Lent by his gluttony and eats fish, except on the feast of the Annunciation and Palm Sunday, let him not partake of the holy mysteries on Pascha, but repent for 2 weeks and make 300 prostrations each day and each night on the communion of the mysteries of Christ. Whenever one wishes to partake of the holy mysteries of Christ, the same should keep the whole week from Monday in fasting and prayer and complete and full sobriety, and then with great fear and piety may he receive the most pure mysteries. On the cleansing of the mouths of the brethren who receive the most pure mysteries of Christ. It is necessary to know this also about the cleansing of the brethren who communed in the temple, as it is said, it is necessary to cleanse one's mouth in the service. This is what the divine Chrysostom decreed on account of spitting, see note below. It is done thusly. Upon receiving the holy mysteries, a brother takes a piece of antidoron, and having consumed it, receives a little of the hot water left over from that which is poured into the divine cup into his mouth, and he wipes it, his mouth, with a clean napkin over a vessel designated for that. Notes: honey drink. Ukropa samedema. Usually, ukropa is wine mixed with water, but in this particular phrase, rather than wine mixed with water and honey drink, the phrase likely means a mixed honey drink, that is to say, water mixed with honey and perhaps berries or some other flavors. Kvass is a fermented drink made with grains and or berries, similar to small beer. Dry foodstuffs, xerophagy, bread, lacto-fermented vegetables, and lacto-fermented beverages. Spitting. Here, spitting likely means any mingling of that which is in the mouth with that which is outside the mouth, such as touching one's lips to icons, cups, spoons, etc., and is not a comment on actual spitting as a monastic habit, custom, or pastime.